Now here I'm referring to the plural. So when it's used for the non-intelligent, it denotes the greater plural. So for example, we have the following sentence: هذه الكتب التي درستها بالجامعة, which means these are the books, the ones which I studied at the university. So if you actually look at this, التي is being used for kutub, and then you have the a'id, if you remember the a'id, which is also feminine singular, which returns to the relative pronoun. And we have another sentence: هؤلاء الكتب اللاتي اشتريتهن اليوم, which means these are the books, the ones that I bought today. So if you look at it, allati, we'll discuss this just a bit later on. This is the plural, the feminine plural. And then we have the pronoun here, hunna, which refers to allati. So here the singular feminine is used, here the plural feminine is used. So what's the difference? Is that this is more in number. And if you look at the context, these are the books, the ones which I studied at the university. So obviously that will be quite a substantial number of books that you've studied. While here are the books that you bought today. Maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5 even. So you can see the difference between using these two. So the singular denotes a large number of books, then the plural. Now we're going to discuss the greater plural and the lesser plural in a bit of detail. So the example we're going to use is kutub, books. And these books are on the desk. على المكتب. Okay, now let's have a look at this. So in front of us we have the 3 different types of pronouns, which are the normal pronouns, the ضمائر, هي and هن. We have the اسم إشارة, the demonstrative pronouns, هذه and هؤلاء, and the relative pronouns, التي and اللاتي, the ones that we're discussing at the moment. So you'll notice that the singular feminine, هي, هذه and التي, denote the greater plural, while the plural feminine denotes the lesser plural. So الكتب على المكتب. Now if we referred to the kutub with a pronoun, we'd say هي على المكتب or هن على المكتب. هي is a greater number than هن. Similarly with demonstrative pronouns, now for example if we use هذه الكتب على المكتب, it's greater in number than saying هؤلاء الكتب على المكتب. So once again the هذه is greater in number than هؤلاء. And similarly التي is greater in number than اللاتي. Now in the Qur'an there are no verses which contrast between these two, التي and اللاتي, referring to the greater plural and lesser plural, nor with the demonstrative pronouns. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show one example in the Qur'an using the normal pronouns hunna and hiya. It says, indeed the number of months with Allah is 12. Inna iddat ash-shuhur. So ash-shuhur is one of the plurals of shahr. Shahr means month. Shuhur means months. There's also another plural, ashhur, which is a lesser plural. Now, so with kutub, there's only one plural for kitab. But with shahr, month, there's actually 2 plurals. So this is the greater plural. So let's denote this by having an arrow going up. So it says, the number of months, ash-shuhur, عند Allah, 12 شهرا, is 12 months. في كتاب الله يوم خلق السماوات والأرض. There it says منها, so here the ضمير, the singular. From it there are 4 that are sacred, hurum. So this ضمير refers to these 12 months. So once again, the greater plural is being used. And it says that 4 from these are hurum. Then it says ذَلِكَ دِينُ الْقَيِّمِ فَلَا تَظْلِمُوا فِيهِنَّ أَنفُسَكُمْ. So do not oppress yourselves or wrong yourselves in them. فِيهِنَّ. The feminine plural is used, because here it's referring to those 4 months. So the lesser plural here. So it's very precise the way the Qur'an uses these pronouns